So you remember we started to write here add deficit for this year. I've just left some space. So in that space, what we are going to do is we are going to write deficiency. DEFICI capital fund on. I'm just going to expand this. Just here on 1/4/2019. 1/4/2019 is how much? The value is, just now we found out 3,81,200 in the last video, right? So here I'm going to write the balancing figure 3,95,000. 3,95,000. Then in the liability side, outstanding stationery expenses. Outstanding expenses. Outstanding stationery expenses. We're going to just try to understand what is the outstanding stationery expenses. See, for this year, it is 36,400 stationery for the year ended 2020. So I'm going to take this figure here, 36,400. Then we have special subscription for governor's party. Special subscription for governor's party. Now, what is special subscription for governor's party? Here it is. I'm just received. Received is how much? 3,45,000. So received is 3,45,000. Add outstanding. How much is outstanding? How much is outstanding? You have to look into it. So let me just check how much is outstanding. Here we have the subscription to governor's party. So outstanding for the year ended is 55,000. Now, what is this governor's party here? It is 3,45,000. That's what we have written it there also. So I'm just going to take you to the balance sheet and we will write the outstanding subscription for governor's party. So which is 55,000. 55,000. So the balance will be 4 lakhs. Then loan is 20 lakhs. We know that. Then subscription received in advance. Received in advance. What is this? See, if you see in the subscription entry, sorry, just look into this problem. See, if you see the subscription for 2021, 30,000. What is this? This is outstanding. This is received in advance. So it is relevant for next year, which is received in this year itself. So that is the 30,000. So I'm going to take you to that. So let me just erase this. So I'm going to take you to the balance sheet where we are going to write subscription received in advance, which is nothing but 30,000. Then we have the cash and bank balance, which has to be written. So what is the cash and bank balance given? If it is given, you can just take it. See, the closing balance by balance carried down 3,96,600 on 31st March 2020. That will be the cash and bank balance. Okay, so this is the opening balance of cash. Opening balance of cash, we have written it here, 30,000 on the in the balance sheet as on 1st April 2019, which is nothing but balance brought down. Okay, which is nothing but balance brought down. But here cash and bank balance in the relevant for this current year 2020, we are going to write it here. So cash and bank balance, which is nothing but balance carried down, which is 2,39,600. 2,39,600. So totally we are getting the balance sheet total as 24,66,400. 24,66,400. So this is the total. Now I can just put it as a box for you to understand it better. So this is a full-fledged problem in the financial statements for not-for-profit organization. So we had the question, we just read the question. We need to prepare this, first we prepared the income and expenditure account. So income and expenditure account, I'll just show you. So we are just preparing the income and expenditure account here. So we have prepared the income and expenditure account. So once this is done, we have found out what is the deficit balance. So that balance needs to be taken to the balance sheet. So balance sheet, since it is a deficit, we are going to show it here in the asset side. So I'm going to just highlight it so that it is understandable. Then what did we do? So we had deficit. Then we had prepared the balance sheet. Whatever is relevant for this year, that is 31/3/2020, outstanding stationery. So special subscription for Governor's Party, always it will be in the liability side. Any specific fund that has to be shown in the liability side. Received, we have written. Outstanding, we have to add. Then loan, subscription received in advance, that and all is fine. Then we have this billiards table, sports material, written off, subscription, outstanding. Then we have a Governor's Party subscription outstanding, 55,000. See, it has to come in both the places. Make sure that you write it. Then we need to prepare the opening balance sheet, which will actually tell us what is the capital fund. Okay, so what is a capital fund? So that capital fund deficit has to be shown here, right, in the asset side. So in the asset side, deficit capital fund, this has to be shown here. So the total balance has to be shown in the asset side. So I guess that this problem is clear, and we'll be doing one more problem for you to have a clarity on how to do full-fledged problem in the next class. Thank you, class.